When it comes to scalable hosting plans, you've probably heard of Liquid Web and Cloudways. Both have their own strengths, but which one offers more scalable options? Stick around as we compare the two, and I'll reveal which one comes out on top for scalability by the end. First thing, let's dive into what scalability really means. For businesses, scalability is all about how well a hosting provider can handle increased traffic or resource demands without causing performance issues. Liquid Web and Cloudways both claim to offer great scalability, but let's see how they stack up in real-world use. Next thing to consider is Liquid Web's scalability options. They offer several tiers, including VPS, dedicated servers, and cloud hosting. Liquid Web is known for high-end hosting with robust infrastructure, meaning they can scale up as needed. However, they do tend to be more expensive, especially as you need more resources. While Liquid Web is great for big businesses, smaller websites might find the pricing a bit of a stretch unless you're ready to pay for premium support and features. Now, let's talk about Cloudways. Cloudways provides a managed cloud hosting solution, working with cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and DigitalOcean. What sets Cloudways apart is its flexibility. You can easily scale your resources on demand, but you're still tied to the cloud provider's pricing structure, which can get complicated. The interface is easy to use, and scaling up is as simple as sliding a few bars on the dashboard. But keep in mind that the cost can spike quickly depending on your cloud provider. The fourth thing we need to discuss is the performance side of scalability. Liquid Web is renowned for its performance, offering dedicated resources that ensure uptime and reliability, especially for enterprise-level clients. However, Cloudways has a similar edge, benefiting from the performance of major cloud providers. Both offer excellent performance, but Cloudways can offer more versatility in how resources are allocated. The fifth point is support. Liquid Web offers 24/7 support with an emphasis on high-end, personalized customer service. They are one of the few hosting providers that can really help scale your site in the long term. Cloudways also offers 24/7 support, but it can be less personalized depending on your plan. However, Cloudways does provide a lot of self-help resources, which might be helpful for smaller businesses or developers who want to scale on their own. The final point, pricing. Liquid Web tends to be on the pricier side when compared to Cloudways. While Cloudways can start small and grow with you, Liquid Web's pricing is more suited to larger operations that are ready to invest in top-tier service. If you're looking for scalability without breaking the bank, Cloudways has a distinct advantage here. Now, both Liquid Web and Cloudways offer solid scalable hosting plans, but after trying both myself, I found that Cloudways provides more flexibility at a better price point for businesses that want to grow steadily without facing huge costs right off the bat. However, if you're an enterprise needing top-notch support and dedicated resources, Liquid Web could be a better fit. But if you're looking for the best alternative to both Liquid Web and Cloudways for scalable hosting, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description below. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Remember, whether you're scaling up a small website or a massive online business, the right hosting plan can make all the difference. So, don't miss out. Check out the first link in the description.